The ocean is a vast and mysterious place, home to countless species that remain hidden from the human eye. Among these elusive creatures are some of the rarest sharks in the world. These sharks not only captivate our imagination, but also play crucial roles in their ecosystems. Let's dive deep into the ocean and uncover 10 of the most rare shark species hidden beneath the waves. Number 10, Basking Shark. The basking shark, not only one of the rarest sharks in the world, but also one of the largest, is a true marvel of the marine world. These massive creatures can grow up to 33 feet long, making them the second largest fish in the ocean. With 5 gill slits, a circular head, a moon-shaped tail, 6.5-foot fins, and a pointed snout, the basking shark is a peculiar sight. Its mouth can open up to 3 feet wide, revealing more teeth than any other shark species. Despite its intimidating appearance, the basking shark is a gentle giant, feeding passively by swimming with its mouth open to filter plankton from the water. These sharks can be found in various parts of the world, from New Zealand to Iceland, in both cold and warm waters. Basking sharks are filter feeders, primarily consuming plankton, small fish, and invertebrates. They swim slowly near the surface, their large mouths agape to catch their microscopic prey. This passive feeding behavior is one of the reasons they are considered harmless to humans. Basking sharks are migratory, often traveling long distances to find rich feeding grounds. Their movements are influenced by the abundance of plankton, leading them to various coastal and offshore areas throughout the year. Number 9, Greenland Shark. The Greenland shark holds the record for the longest living vertebrate on Earth, with some individuals estimated to be over 400 years old. Native to the North Atlantic and Arctic waters around Greenland, Canada, and Iceland, these sharks can reach over 22 feet in length and weigh more than a ton. Known for their slow movement, cruising at about 1 foot per second, Greenland sharks are opportunistic predators and scavengers. They have been known to ambush prey, including caribou and even polar bears. Despite their sluggishness, their ability to survive in icy waters is a testament to their resilience. Greenland sharks are deep-sea dwellers, often found at depths of up to 7,200 feet. Their slow metabolism and ability to withstand freezing temperatures make them well-suited for life in the deep, dark waters of the Arctic. These sharks have a unique method of feeding, often scavenging on the carcasses of dead animals that sink to the ocean floor. They are also known to prey on fish and other marine mammals, using their stealth and patience to catch unsuspecting victims. The Greenland shark's flesh contains high levels of toxic trimethylamine oxide, which makes it inedible unless properly processed. This has limited their use as a food source, contributing to their relatively undisturbed existence. Number 8, whale shark. The name says it all. The whale shark is a colossal species that inhabits tropical oceans worldwide, growing up to 40 feet long and weighing as much as 11 tons. Despite their size, whale sharks are gentle giants, feeding primarily on plankton. These sharks travel great distances to find food, diving as deep as 3,300 feet. However, much about their reproductive habits remains a mystery. Whale sharks are currently endangered, but conservation efforts are in place to protect them and ensure their survival. Number 7, megamouth shark. Discovered only in 1976, the megamouth shark is an elusive species, with only around 100 recorded sightings. Found in temperate and tropical waters of the Pacific, Atlantic, and Indian Oceans, these sharks are characterized by their enormous heads and glow-in-the-dark lips, which attract prey in the deep ocean. Despite having one of the largest mouths in the ocean, their large head acts as a buoyancy aid, slowing them down. The megamouth shark may not be the fastest swimmer, but its unique features make it a fascinating subject for marine biologists. Megamouth sharks are filter feeders, primarily consuming plankton and small jellyfish. They use their bioluminescent lips to attract prey in the dark depths of the ocean. These sharks are slow swimmers, relying on their large mouths to capture food efficiently. Megamouth sharks are rarely seen by humans, and much about their behavior and life cycle remains unknown. Their elusive nature and deep-sea habitat make them a challenging species to study, but each new sighting provides valuable insights into their biology and ecology. Number 6. Frilled Shark. The frilled shark, with its bizarre appearance, is one of the most unusual creatures in the ocean. Resembling an eel with a 7-foot-long body and frilly gills, this deep-sea predator swallows its prey whole, including large squid and fish. Frilled sharks give birth to live young and have few natural predators, with accidental catches by humans being their biggest threat. Their numbers remain stable due to the lack of targeted hunting. Frilled sharks are ancient species, often referred to as living fossils, due to their primitive features. They inhabit deep waters, typically found at depths between 390 and 4,200 feet. Their long, slender bodies and frilled gills give them a serpentine appearance, and their multiple rows of needle-like teeth are perfect for catching and holding on to prey. Frilled sharks are thought to be slow swimmers, relying on ambush tactics to capture their food. Their reproductive strategy involves giving birth to live young, with a gestation period that may extend up to 3.5 years, one of the longest among vertebrates. Number 5. Tassled Wong. The tassled wobegong, a member of the carpet shark family, is a master of disguise. Resembling a chunk of coral reef, it uses its branched skin flaps to blend into its surroundings in the waters of Australia, New Guinea, and Indonesia. This stealthy predator uses its tail, which resembles a small fish, to lure prey close before attacking. While not as intimidating as larger sharks, the tasseled wobegong is still dangerous, capable of biting and even killing humans who venture too close. Tasseled wobegongs are bottom dwellers, spending much of their time resting on the ocean floor. Their flattened bodies and ornate skin flaps help them blend in with the surrounding environment, making them nearly invisible to unsuspecting prey. These sharks are ambush predators, waiting patiently for fish, crustaceans, and even other sharks to come within striking distance. Despite their relatively small size, tasseled wobegongs have powerful jaws and sharp teeth, capable of delivering a painful bite to intruders. Their cryptic coloration and stealthy hunting techniques make them fascinating subjects for marine researchers and divers alike. Number 4. Angel shark. Despite its name, there's nothing angelic about the angel shark. These flat-bodied bottom dwellers lie in wait on the ocean floor to ambush prey, with at least 22 different species, many of which are critically endangered due to overfishing and habitat degradation. The angel shark's future is uncertain. However, promising signs of their presence around the Welsh coast and the Canary Islands offer hope for their recovery. Angel sharks are well-camouflaged ambush predators, using their flat bodies and sandy coloration to blend in with the ocean floor. They remain motionless, buried in the sand, waiting for prey to pass by before launching a swift attack. Their diet includes fish, crustaceans, and mollusks. Angel sharks are particularly vulnerable to habitat destruction and overfishing, as they often inhabit shallow coastal waters that are heavily impacted by human activities. Conservation efforts, such as protected areas and fishing restrictions, are essential to prevent further declines in their populations and ensure their long-term survival. Number 3. Zebra shark. The zebra shark is a nocturnal species found in the tropical Indo-Pacific, frequenting coral reefs and sandy flats. Growing up to 8 feet long, these sharks are distinctive with their dark spots on a pale background and a low caudal fin. Zebra sharks are oviparous, producing large egg capsules that they anchor to underwater structures. While generally harmless to humans, they are popular in public aquariums and are a significant draw for ecotourism. Zebra sharks are solitary creatures, spending much of the day resting on the seafloor. At night, they become more active, hunting for mollusks, crustaceans, and small fish in the reef's crevices. Their slender, flexible bodies allow them to navigate tight spaces in search of food. Zebra sharks are known for their distinctive appearance, with juveniles displaying a striking pattern of dark bands, which fade to spots as they mature. Their unique coloration and docile nature make them popular attractions in aquariums and a favorite among divers. Number 2. Bluntnose Sixgill Shark. Unlike most sharks, which have 5 gills, the bluntnose sixgill shark has 6. This ancient species, growing up to 18 feet long, is believed to be a descendant of prehistoric sharks from 200 million years ago. Found in deep waters around the world, these sharks venture to shallower waters at night to hunt. Their wide distribution and unique characteristics make them a fascinating subject for researchers, though they are considered near-threatened due to fishing pressures. Number 1. Horn shark. The horn shark prefers shallow waters and is often seen crawling along the ocean floor using its fins rather than swimming. Feeding on sea urchins and crustaceans, these 3-foot sharks are poor swimmers and spend much of their time hiding in caves and crevices. Their populations are in decline due to accidental catches and the long gestation period of their spiral egg cases, which take up to 9 months to hatch. Conservation efforts are crucial to ensure the survival of this unique species.